Why the fuck you do that shit to your dog, bro? Huh? Huh? Good.
What the hell?
Got the
Wait, I
fucking
think I can do
drink.
that too.
Got the fucking drink mix, bro. We're
Yeah,
just
this
fucking
one.
shaking this shit, bro. Phone's at 1%. Fucking the fucking leech mix. Sour Skittles. Bro, a fucking bird just fucking. Oh, it's right here. It's still alive. Yeah. I don't know, bro, but fucking. He's fucking hurting though, for sure, for fucking sure.
No, this nigga be. Bro, it's gonna die, bro. Angel, put it out of his misery, bro.
So we were just fucking chilling, and a fucking bird just fell from the sky and landed on this fucking truck right here. These bird feathers, and then it fucking collapsed and fell right here. He's still alive. He's barely breathing. This fool's fucking dead. You really want me to kill the bird? No, it's. Hey, my fan! Get over there! Why are you doing that?
It's dead, bro.
No, he's still alive. Look. This fool! No! 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 Fuck, bro! Angel, how do you feel? I can't fucking believe that what I just witnessed.
It was the right thing to do. He was getting eaten alive by the dog, so. Ready?
Indeed, he has a point.
I know the song, bro.
So basically, these guys are betting on the game, and whoever loses, stop screen cheating.
I know, I just know the spawn, bro.
And whoever wins gets fucking saved by the shot.